Looking for the perfect cordless impact driver to tackle your DIY projects or professional tasks with ease, but not sure which one to choose? Well, you're in the right place, because that's exactly what we're going to explore. Whether you're tightening bolts, driving screws, or working in tight spaces, it's important to pick an impact driver that's powerful, lightweight, and offers long battery life. We've tested and compared several models to bring you the top 3 based on performance, ergonomics, and overall value. You'll find links to these products in the description below. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tool recommendations and DIY tips. Here are the 3 best cordless impact drivers. Let's get started. First, the Black+Decker 20V Max PowerConnect Impact Driver Kit combines compact design, powerful performance, and user-friendly features, making it a reliable tool for various fastening tasks. Weighing just enough to minimize muscle fatigue, its lightweight build ensures comfort during extended use. The high-performance transmission generates up to 1,375 inch-pounds of torque, 3,000 revolutions per minute, and 3,900 impacts per minute, effortlessly driving long screws and fasteners through tough materials like wood, metal, and masonry. Switching bits is made simple with the 1/4 inch quick-release hex chuck, saving you time during projects. The soft touch grip handle enhances control while reducing strain, ensuring fatigue-free operation. Powered by the versatile PowerConnect battery system, this impact driver offers seamless compatibility with other tools in the lineup, making it an excellent addition to your toolkit. The kit includes the BDCI20C Impact driver, a 20V max PowerConnect battery, a charger, and a screwdriving bit. With its compact and high torque capabilities, this tool is ideal for professionals and DIY enthusiasts tackling demanding projects with precision and efficiency. Next, the Craftsman V20 Max Combo Kit delivers versatility and power, featuring a cordless drill and impact driver designed for demanding drilling and fastening tasks. The drill, CMC D700, is equipped with a powerful motor generating 280 unit watts out, ensuring reliable performance for various applications. Its 2-speed gearbox offers ranges from 0 to 350 revolutions per minute and 0 to 1,500 revolutions per minute, giving you the control needed for precision or speed. The impact driver, CMC F800, provides a robust 1,460 inch-pounds of torque with speeds of up to 2,800 revolutions per minute and 3,100 blows per minute, effortlessly handling heavy-duty fastening. With a drop and load bit change system, swapping bits is seamless and quick. Both tools feature built-in LED lights, enhancing visibility in low light conditions, while the compact designs and ergonomic, contoured handles ensure comfort and maneuverability in tight spaces. This combo kit includes 2 batteries, a charger, and essential tools, making it an excellent choice for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Finally, the Dewalt 20V Max Combo Kit combines efficiency and precision, featuring a drill, DCD771, and impact driver, DCF885, designed for versatility in various applications. The DCD771 drill boasts a high-performance motor delivering 300 unit watts out of power, ideal for tackling a wide range of tasks. Its 2-speed transmission offers ranges from 0 to 450 revolutions per minute and 0 to 1,500 revolutions per minute, catering to both precision and speed. With a 1/2-inch single-sleeve ratcheting chuck, the drill ensures secure bit gripping strength. The compact and lightweight design of both tools allows them to fit into tight spaces with ease. The DCF885 impact driver features a 1/4 inch hex chuck for one-handed bit changes and delivers impressive torque with compact dimensions of 5.55 inches from front to back. Its 3 LED light ring with a 20-second delay eliminates shadows, improving visibility in dim environments. The kit includes 2 batteries, a charger, and the necessary tools to get started, making it perfect for professionals and hobbyists seeking performance and reliability. You can find the links to the products in the description below. Don't hesitate to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. See you next time for another product comparison.